Good morning and happy Wednesday. So today we were gonna take little man to school, but we just got a message.
It's closed because of water, because we can't drink, we can't poop or pee, we can't flush the toilet, we can't get water.
Exactly, a water main break in the village actually broke, and so the buildings at the school had to close because they have no water. Because the kid doesn't have school today, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on some makeup just because we have some time to kill, and then I think we might go on a little bit of a nature walk and get the energy out so that we can have a little bit of a low-key, slow afternoon. So the contractors are here and they are getting ready with pulling off the siding to see exactly the type of damage that is behind the walls, and we're gonna start getting a better look at what type of repairs are gonna be needed. So they're here today doing all of that, and we are unpaused and we are moving forward with everything. I did talk to insurance and I talked to the adjuster himself, and he did give us the clearance to go ahead and start moving forward. I hit a wall after our walk. Our little nature walk was about 2 miles. I did the track our hike type thing, and it was 2-mile walk. Cody did get a little bit of a snag. He grabbed a plant, I think that had a thorn on it, and cut himself. So poor little guy. So it wasn't the day that we woke up planning to have, but it was an absolutely beautiful day. We made the best out of the situation. We're moving along with our construction, and I think that, I'm feeling really optimistic about everything. Present me is gonna help out future me by doing the dishes now instead of doing them in the morning. It's the way it should go, but it never goes that way. I'm falling out of the habit of just coming and just talking to the camera because it is proven to be very difficult for me. So I'm going to continue to push forward and get uncomfortable and talk more to the camera and try to add that into my videos. My biggest struggle is when to stop talking. That has always been a struggle for me. That's not new. And especially now, I just will continue to ramble on and on. And I don't know how to end these things. You just end it.